Hi there, students. A bitter pill. Very often in the phrase, a bitter pill to swallow. Okay, this is something that is unpleasant, but you've just got to do it. You've just got to accept it. So I think maybe losing the election was a bitter pill for Mr. Trump. It was a bitter pill to swallow. Yeah, something that's unpleasant, that not what you want, but it's the reality. It's what there is. He was passed over for promotion several times, and this was a very bitter pill to swallow. This was a very bitter pill. Losing in the World Cup to Germany is a bitter pill for British football fans. For her, losing to a younger player was a bitter pill. It was a bitter pill to swallow. Yeah, so it was something that was not very nice, not something that she wanted to accept, but it had to be. Yeah, he was a very proud man, and having to go to ask for money from his father was a bitter pill. It was a bitter pill to follow. Okay, so being given menial tasks to do at work was a very bitter pill for him. It was a bitter pill to swallow. Failing your exams can be a bitter pill to swallow. Well, at that point you try again. Yeah, if at first you don't succeed, try again. So this is an unpleasant situation, an unwanted situation, but you've just got to accept it. Yeah, notice, not always a bitter pill, very often a hard pill to swallow, a bad pill, a tough pill. Yeah, and not always with this verb to swallow. Most commonly, just this was a bitter pill, this was a hard pill. Yeah, to take down, to digest even. The censure of the Houses of Parliament was a bitter pill for the PM. It was a bitter pill for him to swallow. Yeah, so something that's unpleasant, but that has to be accepted. This is an idiom, formality. I think I'd give it 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, and you can probably use it in a semi-formal writing, but no more. Okay, and then a pill, as in medicine, and bitter, having a harsh taste. Yeah, the word bitter comes from the Proto-Germanic word bitras, meaning bitter. Yeah, so if something is bitter, then it tastes, well, coffee tastes bitter, and then a pill to swallow. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, I hope it wasn't a bitter pill, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A bitter pill to swallow.